Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know some new library, which is Particles.js. Particles.js is a popular library that is used to create these dots and lines, which is like the technology net. And this lesson we will know the basic information about this library, and we will know how to install it, how to join this library with our HTML file, and we will continue with this library in many other lessons. So first of all, we'll go to the Google and we will say Particles.js download. Then after we click Particles.js download, we'll get this file. If we open this file, it will guide us to the GitHub. In GitHub, we could download it to our place, or get only this this URL and copy it in our HTML file. I have downloaded that file, which is here. I will open it, extract it, for example, over here, or only I will double click that file, and I'll tell you what you should take. Let's open it, and then I will take only 2 files that could help us in our project. Okay, let's open it with this file, which is rar. Okay, over here I see close, and I will take this over here. So here I could go to this file and I will copy this file to this place. Okay, and also I need the other file. Wait until they copied that file. Then I will go to the demo and in JS add this file too. Great. Now we have, let's create a new file, and inside I will see coding. Let's see coding, and inside it I will copy these files to that file folder, and over here I will create a new HTML file. In this editor we have the PHP storm. I will go to that place, it's over here, and inside that place I will create a new HTML folder. I will go to the folder which is coding. I'll create a file which is HTML type. So let's right click. So let's click new folder HTML file. Okay, and inside it I will call it, for example, custom, or let's say index.html, and it will be .html. Okay, then we will get a sample HTML folder. Okay, here we are. So now we could get call the files over there. I could say, for example, I will link them. I will say script. It's easy, scripting joining, and over this file I will say the source, that file, which would be the particles and the app. So first of all I will start with the particles equal, then I will say particles.js, and I will copy also the second one, which is the particles, the app, which is over there. Let's see app.js. Let's delete the other one, save it. Now we have a folder. We will need also here any DOM element. For example, let's see, it's a dev. I will see a dev, and I will assign it a variable, an ID. I will see ID, and I will assign the ID over here. For example, let's see first lesson. Great. Now I will take this first lesson, and I will paste it, copy, and I will paste it over here. So this app, don't worry if you missed or something. I just want to tell you how to install it and how to join it. So now this Particles.js will contains the variable over here, the ID, and in the rest we will have the parameters. So let's save it. Also here we will save it, and I will say, let's go and double click that file over here. Okay, here we are. Now it's existing, but because the default color is white, it will not exist. We will change the style. Let's see here, style, background. I will change its color. I will see body, well, let's say first lesson, copy, then first lesson, say hash first lesson, and over here I will say background color, and let's say it would be, for example, red. No problem. Okay, save it. Let's refresh and see what we have over there. Okay, now it's working. So here how to create and how to edit this library. It's easy, by the way, and it's amazing. In the next lessons we will know how to manipulate and how to edit these lines and how to make it larger and more attractive. Okay, so thanks for listening and watching now, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.